What's going on, YouTube? I was gonna go on a drive and do a video, but we got severe weather coming in, tornadoes, hail, whatnot. So she's tucked away in the garage, nice and safe right now. Video I wanted to do today was regarding another recall that FCA has released. FCA being Fiat Chrysler Automotive Group, for those of you that didn't know. But stay tuned, I'll talk to you about what the recall is. So on May 25th, FCA just released a recall for 4.8 million cars. These cars affect like the Chrysler 200, Chrysler 300, Charger, Challengers, Ram 1500s, Durangos. I will put a link in the description below that has a list of all the vehicles that are recalled. You might want to go log into the Dodge.com website, put in your VIN number, see if your car is affected by this recall. But in my case, my car may be included in this recall because it is for the 2014 plus Chargers. Challengers, I believe, is a 2015 plus Challenger. But anyways, the list is in the link below. The recall is for your cruise control. Basically, the issue is the car, if you're using cruise control, typically you can stop using cruise control by either pressing the button to turn off cruise control or just tapping the brake, in which then turns off the cruise control. The issue is when you're pushing on the brake or you push the button to turn off cruise control, the car will not turn off the cruise control and will continue to try and accelerate back to whatever speed you have it set at. So you push on the brake, you slow down from the set 60 down to 40. As soon as you let go, the car's gonna want to try and pull up to 60 miles an hour again. If you're not careful or not too good at driving, you won't know what to do and you could lose control, crash in the car ahead of you, whatever. If you do encounter this, they say you can continue using the brake to slow the car down. Your brakes will stop you, or you can also put the car into neutral, the transmission into neutral, and that'll prevent you from accelerating back up to whatever you have it set at. But anyways, I just wanted to share this safety announcement to you guys. Make sure you guys get your cars checked out and be safe out there. Happy Memorial Day, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Don't forget to check the link below for the recall list, and like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.